What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Know it's been a while. As you can see, I've been changing my field of content. But anyways, got a package that just came in. Freaking Corsa. I was happy when this thing came in, so let's go ahead and get to unboxing this thing. I'm gonna put y'all right here. Got this sticker. I'm gonna put this on my beater. I use my beater as the I forgot what they call it. I can't think of the word right now. I just be putting all the stickers I bought my parts from in there on my beater. Pick you guys up. I got this string sound. I got the black tip. Ooh. Yep, black tips. Sheesh. Thing's about to go hard, boy. Can't focus. It won't focus. Oh yeah, I was gonna get this exhaust a long time ago. Then they came out with the valved one, so I don't gotta cut my exhaust off by myself. They end up making the valve ones for the Chargers and the Challengers. Yes, sir. Come with all the clamps. Oh, these things about to go. X-pipe. Yup, this is it, guys. I will be making a video of me installing it, so just sit back and wait. It's gonna come. See y'all later.